Hi guys, so for today I'm gonna teach you or I'm gonna show you where you can find or where you can view the booking for your restaurant if some customer or if there's a customer that book a table or reserve a table, and I'm gonna show you of where you can manage it. So first you need to log into Mucho Taste account and then click manage. All right. And on the left corner, on the third option, you can um, see here this, it's like phone something. So just yeah, just click that. And you can see here or you can view the bookings that has been made for to your restaurant. For example, this one I made this one just so I can show you how to manage it. So here you can see the information of the customer that book this this booking. All right, so here's the name, the phone number. We can also click that so that we can see everything easily. You can manage this booking. You can change the status to canceled or confirmed status. And also you can make an action for it, delete booking or print thermal. And you can below it is you can see the information booking for this is the date that the customer would like to book and the time and the number of people that will come for that booking and the date and the time that it has been um, the date and time that it has been placed and the preference if they would like to um, eat inside or outside, the name of the customer, the email, the phone number. So yeah, that's basically it. Let's do a recap. Okay, so first you need to log in to Mucho Taste account and click manage. And on the left side corner, click this booking and you can see here everything if there are customers that made a booking, and if you click that you can manage the booking, you can change the status, you can choose an action, and you can see the information of the booking. So that's basically it on how you can view the booking and how you can manage it. Thank you for watching.